he'll tell you who's trying to fool the country. How with Subrashtra debate?
Can you be honest?
The Andolan Jeevis.
Who's trying
who
to
the
fool
country
the
hates.
country? It's the BJP which is trying to fool the country.
I'm perpetually honest. I'm in honesty mode all the time.
The hate has been spread here. You're dividing the country. Now you're spreading the hate against the farmers.
Yes. That's not me.
Sujata ji, you had every
dividing the
opportunity
country.
in the parliament today.
I'm dividing the country.
Sujata ji, your
Well,
opposition leader had every opportunity in the
That's Vandana.
Not Sujata, that's
somebody else speaking. Madam, that's somebody else speaking.
Okay, Vandana ji.
Can I just come in here for a minute?
Your opposition leader had every opportunity to go down in the well of the parliament, make a stellar speech saying all that you are left to defend on national television, but he chose to walk out. Ironically, for you guys, the protest was all about freedom of expression, that farm laws have not been discussed and debated. Why did TMC, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, why did they stage a walkout? It is very glamorous for Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to sit on a protest.
Very good point.
For the government today, ma'am.
Ma'am, please hear me out,
today,
ma'am.
The BJP,
Priyanka Gandhi Vadra
government
stages a glamorous protest with some,
with
some people.
Let me answer you, then you continue.
Who she will then paint as farmers tomorrow. But let me tell you, they had a legitimate opportunity to go down in the parliament.
What do you mean by paint
have
as
a discussion?
farmers? The farmers are sitting here. They are not farmers.
Why did your leaders
How do you
walk
decide
out?
that they are not farmers who are protesting? They are farmers sitting there protesting.
Ma'am, neither you are a
How do
farmer,
you
nor I am a farmer, nor Arnab is a farmer, and nor Suhail Seth is a farmer.
You don't need to tell me.
Ma'am. We are
you
not farmers.
You don't need to tell me.
All right. We may own land, but that doesn't make us farmers. Number one. Number two, you guys have not given one legitimate. You guys have not given one legitimate argument against farm laws. You have not quoted one clause which is problematic.
Isn't it the government's responsibility to be giving reasons as to how the farm laws are good? You're bringing the laws in, and you want us to believe that there is no democracy in this country.
Did the government
you want us to believe in your cautious rant
this?
that there is no democracy in this country?
Did they talk to the farmers before implementing these laws?
Yes, ma'am. There is a process of parliamentary democracy in India. The Indian members of parliament, ma'am, if you don't know the constitution, let me school you. The members of the parliament are elected by the people, and the people are supposed to inform their MPs of raising issues. Your MPs failed in raising concerns about farm laws. Ma'am, please understand that there's a constitutional process in place. Every process was followed. Not even one MP has written one op-ed in a platform of your choice to debate on farm laws. What are you talking?
You bring in the law.
Not even one MP, ma'am. I'm throwing out the challenge to you. Not even one MP has written one editorial in one national daily of your
choice. Where is it written in the Constitution that you
which
bulldoze your way?
Problematic in the three bills which constitute what you call farm laws.
Was there a discussion in the parliament?
Let me make it clear, because I'm sure I'm not going to get another chance on your program.
What
the
you
three
call the farm
laws that
laws?
are there in place
the laws,
have nothing to do with farming per se. It has to do with products from the farm. It gives farmers an option to go beyond the traditional method of reaching out to the middlemen. First of all, the linguistics of the protest is wrong. Secondly, the ideological underpinning is wrong. Thirdly, Varis ji says, who calls them Khalistanis? Well, Varis ji, when these Andolankaris went to the ramparts of the airport and
Varis Pathan on the debate.
flag, that very day they became Khalistanis.